Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Pink Stuff is probably one of the most versatile cleaning agents available, boasting the ability to tackle various cleaning tasks around the house and even in industrial settings, and today we will explore its effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value, comparing it to other popular cleaning pastes and solutions to determine whether it truly lives up to the hype and if it's the right choice for your cleaning needs. Number 5. Stardrops Pink Stuff Cleaning Bundle. This bundle has everything you need for a sparkling clean home. It's powerful yet safe for various surfaces, making cleaning a breeze. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and grease. It effortlessly removes grime from kitchens, bathrooms, and even outdoor areas. From countertops and sinks to BBQs and more, it's the perfect all-in-one solution for your cleaning needs. It's incredibly versatile. It's designed to be safe for use on a variety of surfaces, including ceramic, glass, and stainless steel, without causing damage. Clean with confidence. It does the heavy lifting, so you don't have to scrub as hard. Get professional quality results without the effort. This complete bundle provides everything you need to keep your entire home sparkling clean. No more need for multiple cleaning products. What we like? This bundle has everything you need for a sparkling home. It tackles tough grime on various surfaces, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for an all-in-one cleaning solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Real Good Cleaner was able to clean my oven and shower with minimal effort. I was amazed at how easily it went on and cleaned the inside of the oven. I love that it also has no bad chemical smell to try and get rid of after cleaning. Got my father-in-law's oven clean after not being cleaned in probably 3 years. Order the whole package because it worked so well. Number 4. Pink Stuff Bathroom Foam Cleaner. It's specially formulated to tackle tough bathroom stains and grime. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and hello to sparkling clean surfaces with minimal effort. The easy-to-use foam clings to surfaces, maximizing contact time to break down dirt and soap scum. Just spray, let it work, and wipe clean. It's perfect for tiles, sinks, tubs, showers, faucets, and even toilet exteriors. One product handles all your bathroom cleaning needs. This effectively removes limescale, soap scum, and hard water stains. Get shiny, clean surfaces without harsh scrubbing. It leaves a streak-free, polished finish on all bathroom surfaces. Enjoy a spotless, gleaming bathroom every time. Experience a fresh and clean-smelling bathroom after each use. It leaves a pleasant fragrance that lingers. Despite its powerful cleaning, it's gentle on surfaces, preventing scratches or damage. It's safe for delicate fixtures. What we like? The foam clings to surfaces for a deep clean, making it perfect for bathrooms. It leaves a streak-free shine without harsh scrubbing. If you want an effortless way to clean your bathroom, consider this. What people say. It has made my bathroom cleaning chores much easier. I spray it onto the surface and wait as the foam does its job. As I begin to wipe, dirt and soap scum come right off. I've been using it all over the house with wonderful results. Showerheads, which often have stubborn calcium buildup, wipe clean. It works great on my granite countertops too, leaving them sparkling clean without streaks. The foam clung to every surface like it had a personal vendetta against grime. With a quick wipe, I transformed my tub into a streak-free wonderland that sparkled brighter than my neighbor's Christmas lights. They looked so good that I half expected them to break into a happy dance. And let's talk about limescale. I swear, it evaporated faster than my willpower at a dessert buffet. Number 3. Stardrops Pink Stuff Floor Cleaner. Say hello to sparkling clean floors with ease. It's tough on dirt and grime, but gentle on your flooring, leaving them gleaming. This cleaner is designed to penetrate and dissolve even the most stubborn stains. Watch those unsightly marks disappear. It works wonders on tiles, linoleum, vinyl, and laminate. No matter the floor type, it's ready to tackle any mess. From kitchen to bathroom and living room, it's perfect for cleaning all your floors. It's your go-to for a spotless home. It's tough on stains but gentle on your floors. The non-abrasive formula is safe for daily use, preserving the beauty of your flooring. Enjoy a fresh, clean scent as you clean. It leaves your home smelling wonderfully inviting. What we like. This cleaner tackles tough stains on various floor types. It's gentle enough for daily use, keeping your floors looking great. If you need a floor cleaner that's both tough and gentle, this is a great option. What people say. It effectively tackles tough stains and grime on my floors, leaving them sparkling clean. I've used it on various surfaces, including tile and laminate, and it works wonders without leaving any residue behind. No odor, except the lovely scent of this cleaner, and no dirt or poop left behind. It's easy to use and works well. Number 2. Pink Stuff Window Cleaner. Say hello to sparkling clean windows and glass surfaces. It's easy to use and leaves behind a fresh, fruity scent. This cleaner effortlessly tackles grease and grime. It's perfect for windows, mirrors, and all your glass surfaces. Experience the refreshing, fruity fragrance that the Pink Stuff is known for. It leaves your home smelling amazing. Simply spray it on, wipe it off, and enjoy the streak-free shine. It's that simple. From windows and mirrors to other glass items, it's versatile and effective on all types of glass. Get sparkling results every time. This large bottle provides plenty of cleaner for all your cleaning needs. It's great value for money. What we like. It easily removes grease and grime from windows and mirrors, leaving them sparkling. It also has a pleasant scent. If you like a fresh-smelling and effective window cleaner, this is for you. What people say. My windows have never looked better. This cleaner provides a nice, shiny finish without any of the streaks or smears that other products leave behind. It's truly a miracle for glass surfaces. A few sprays and a paper towel cleans the windshield. And it works so great. Way better than regular window cleaner. Took off greasy residue that wouldn't come off. Great for every surface, especially glass mirrors. Doesn't leave streaks. Number 1. Stardrops Pink Stuff Oxy Powder. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to brilliantly white clothes. This powerful stain remover will restore your whites to their original glory. It uses the power of oxygen to lift away even the toughest stains, from coffee spills to sweat marks. Watch as it deep cleans your fabrics, leaving them spotless. It's tough on stains but gentle on your clothes. It's designed to preserve the softness and integrity of your fabrics, wash after wash. Perfect for shirts, linens, towels, and more. Use it in your washing machine or as a pre-soak treatment for heavily soiled items. From a trusted brand known for its effective cleaning solutions, this Oxy powder delivers reliable results you can count on. Get the cleaning power you deserve. What we like. This powerful powder brightens and whitens your clothes, removing tough stains. It's gentle on fabrics, keeping your whites looking their best. If you need a stain remover that's both effective and gentle, this is the one. What people say. Works amazingly well, excellent for brightening and deodorizing, great value for money, comes with little scoop for ease of use, power cleaner, no residue, smells fresh and clean. This is so great at brightening and whitening. If you know Oxy Clean, this is it, but with extra power for cleaning whites and tough stains. It only requires a small scoop for a load of laundry. Lasts a long time. Its wonderful scent, remarkable cleaning power, and versatility make it an indispensable addition to your cleaning arsenal. It simplifies the task of keeping your home clean, whether you're tackling toddler-created masterpieces or everyday messes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.